Hello everyone, I am Professor A.B. Zanzad from Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology Nasik, working in Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Today's my video lecture on the topic hydraulic coefficients. So the hydraulic coefficients are coefficient of velocity, that is CV, coefficient of contraction, that is CC, and the coefficient of discharge, that is CD. We will see one by one. First, the coefficient of velocity. It is denoted by CV. It is defined as the ratio between the actual velocity of the jet of liquid at vena contracta and the theoretical velocity of the jet. It is denoted by CV, and mathematically CV is equal to actual velocity of jet at vena contracta by the theoretical velocity, which is equal to phi upon under root of twice gh, where phi is the actual velocity and under root of twice gh is the theoretical velocity. The value of CV varies from 0.95 to 0.99 for different orifices, depending on the shape, size of the orifice, and on the head under which the flow takes place. Generally, the value of CV is equal to 0.98 is taken for sharp edge orifices. Second is coefficient of contraction. It is defined as the ratio of area of the jet at vena contracta to the area of the orifice, and it is denoted by CC. Let A is the area of orifice and AC is the area of jet at vena contracta. Then CC is the area of jet at vena contracta upon the area of orifice, which is equal to AC upon A. The value of CC, that is coefficient of contraction, varies from 0.61 to 0.69 depending on the shape and size of the orifice and the head of liquid under which the flow takes place. In general, the value of CC may be taken as 0.64. Then third is the coefficient of discharge, that is CD. It is defined as the ratio of actual discharge from an orifice to the theoretical discharge from the orifice. It is denoted by CD. If Q is the actual discharge and QTH is the theoretical discharge, then the mathematically coefficient of discharge is given as CD equal to Q upon QTH, that is discharge upon theoretical discharge, which is equal to actual velocity into actual area upon theoretical velocity into theoretical area, which is equal to actual velocity upon theoretical velocity into actual area upon theoretical area. Therefore, the coefficient of discharge CD equal to CV into CC. We will see a problem. The head of water over an orifice of diameter 40 mm is 10 meter. Find the actual discharge and the actual velocity of the jet at vena contracta. Take the value of CD 0.6 and value of CV is 0.98. Hence, solution, the given values are head, that is H is equal to 10 centimeter, diameter of orifice is 40 mm, that is 0.04 meter. Then the area A equal to pi by 4 d square, which is equal to 0.00126 meter square. Value of CD and CV is given. CD is equal to 0.6, CV equal to 0.98. Hence, first actual discharge upon theoretical discharge is equal to 0.6, that is CD, but theoretical discharge is equal to theoretical velocity into area of orifice. Therefore, theoretical velocity is given as under root of twice gh, which is equal to 14 meter per second. Now, theoretical discharge is equal to 14 into 0.001256, which is equal to 0.01758 meter square per second. Now, actual discharge, meter cube per second. Now, actual discharge is equal to 0.6 into theoretical discharge, which is equal to 0.6 into 0.01758, which is equal to 0.0154 meter cube per second. Now CV equal to actual velocity upon theoretical velocity, that is 0.98. Hence actual velocity is equal to 0.98 into theoretical velocity, which is equal to 13.72 meter per second, and this is the actual velocity of the flow. Now second problem, the head of water over the center of an orifice of diameter 20 mm is 1 meter. The actual discharge through the orifice is 0.85 liter per second. Now find the coefficient of discharge, that is CD. Now solution, the given values are diameter of orifice is 20 mm, that is 0.02 meter. Area is by putting the value of diameter, that is A is equal to pi by 4 d square. Hence area is equal to 0.000314 meter square. Head is 1 meter. Actual discharge Q is 0.85 liter per second. It is converted into meter cube per second. Theoretical velocity, we know the formula is equal to under root of twice gh. Hence theoretical velocity is equal to 4.429 meter per second. Now theoretical discharge, that is qth, is equal to vth into area of orifice. That is theoretical discharge is equal to theoretical velocity into area of the orifice. Hence we get the theoretical discharge, that is equal to 0.00139 meter cube per second. Now coefficient of discharge is equal to, we know the formula, actual discharge upon theoretical discharge. We have both the values. Hence the actual discharge is equal to 0.00085 upon 0.00139, which is equal to 0.61. To get more videos related to agriculture and agricultural engineering, subscribe the channel Agroneers. Thank you.